Nigeria youth! They said no to end of SARS! They said no to police brutality! They are slaves in our country! Our leaders are riding on us! Is there enough? Is enough? Let Nigeria youth! Let Baba! Let Baba! They said no to police brutality! Let Nigeria youth!
Good afternoon.
Yeah, good afternoon.
Yeah, I want to ask you some questions now. So, because
I'm ready to answer you.
So as it been now, so we there for Bergamo now. You see everybody that they take stand when they want to do the NSAS protest.
Yes, we move.
So what me want to ask you, we say this protest when they say they go on for Nigeria, so now how you reason and how the matter take play for your side?
The protest when they go on for Nigeria, me I like her well.
Okay.
All from my head to my toe, I support her Gidigba.
Okay.
I support her, and we must fight for freedom. Any freedom, anybody when we must fight for it.
Okay.
So we are fighting for the freedom, and the freedom must come.
All right. Okay.
Freedom come by struggle. We are in the struggle now.
Okay, for Nigeria, so now we come here say get some guys when they say that they give them money, go they distract people when they protest, when they act as talk. So all these type of people now, what be the word where they say you get for them?
So funny. In every community, there must be an enemy. So those are the enemy of the country.
Okay.
So whether enemy or enemy, we must overcome.
All right.
Those are not going to distract us.
Okay.
We must overcome enemy or no enemy.
Okay, so now this protest where they really they do for Nigeria now where they hot now, so
yes.
You believe say really last say Buhari go come out, abi how you reason now?
The protest where they go on now, Buhari don't come with the military. He don't disorganize her. The bad eggs among the government, they don't sponsor talk to destabilize the protest. But inside us, the protest never finished.
Okay.
Some states are still protesting now. And me, I go still tell you categorically say, this protest now, it not go end. And this one don't open our eyes. So see, say the leaders are cheating us. Along the line too, we the youth, as we don't know, we don't people the victim again. So we are here to stand to form our party. In 2023, once the president is out, meaning the root, the hand, the branches has no say.
All right. Okay. So now we there for city of Bergamo now. When we say we want protest now, so we see the way to make people come before we start. So for people when we say that just still dey present for you now, what be what way we say now you get to tell us as an advice.
Every Nigerian when they this Bergamo, when they this protest, you look there so you go see say they no get joy. The boys is dead. Men are hungry. Seriously. Because how can you kill your own blood brother in Lekki, then you go to tell me say make everybody enter house sit down. We don't go fit sit down. Some people go die for others to rise. So those who don't pay the sacrifice, we when we dey alive, we go hold the bull by the horn now for we to stand to make sure say our voice is heard all over the world. Our mother, everybody to kill our sisters everywhere. Nobody can talk. They match our head. They use for people to clap. If people to clap, nobody want to say. Please, youth, don't feel sorry.
We are the youth.
Pursue to go, move front, pursue your goal. Don't keep quiet. Let the protest continue so that you win the goal, so that youth will rule. They say youth are tomorrow. You are the leaders of tomorrow. Today in Nigeria, youth is not the leaders of tomorrow. Old men. Buhari will have been leading in government since 1974 to now.
Yes, Mama, good afternoon.
Afternoon.
Okay, now here we dey now so na city of Bergamo so.
Yes.
So as we there now the Nigerian people now be say the day so.
Yes.
So what did I want to do today? So may you let the people when be say that when they listen to you now make them know as still they play.
Okay, right now as we dey here now, we come and contest say make we end Buhari. Because Buhari should stop killing our people.
Okay.
So we don't need Buhari again.
Okay.
We don't need SARS.
Okay.
So Buhari should leave us alone.
All right.
So let us do whatever we like.
Okay.
So we like Buhari should end Buhari.
Okay.
So that is why.
Okay. Then for the issue when they play for Nigeria, so I hear say get some guys when they be say they come go they add like thugs, whether they bribe, go they give body to they attack people when they be say they do protest. So all those kind of people now, what will be the advice where you get for those youths where they be say they fight their fellow youths where they try to make the country better?
The advice I will give them, So make they leave money, make they control with their life.
Okay.
I think you understand. Money is not everything.
Okay.
I think you understand.
Mm-hmm.
So we want to cancel Buhari away from our life. We want to start our own. I think you understand.
Okay, so people want to say that day, and I see many people now as they take there, so now maybe say they want to do the protest for the NSAS matter issue. So now, after they do everything finish now, so what will be the word where you get for them, or any kind of prayer, anything you get for them? So
I pray for them. So the only thing when I wanted they say, make we succeed to carry Buhari comot. So may God give them long life and prosperity for everything.
okay, thank you very much, man. Hi bro, good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Okay, here one day now, so now the city of Bergamo, so when you say want to do the protest to the end the SARS. So what do you get to talk about this SARS issue when they go on for Nigeria? So
Well, this SARS issue of a thing, we need reform men. Not only the SARS, we need reform
okay.
in the Nigerian government.
All right.
We need reform in the Navy, in the whole system, we need reform.
Okay.
And first of all, Buhari must go. Because it's not worthy to be a president.
All right.
As you understand.
Okay, so for the protests when it say they happen for Nigeria, especially for Lagos, we come here say get some guys when it say that they bribe, they go to attack people when they protest. Understand? So that's when they act as talk now. So what will be the word where you get for those guys when they say that they attack their fellow youth when they try to make the country do okay?
They are foolish ones. They will remain foolish forever. All those are people that don't want Nigeria to be okay. And they are youth like us. As you understand.
Okay.
And they are just be carried away just because of little change.
All right.
As you understand.
Okay. So this, okay now. So this Italy what we there so now. What do you feel say now be the different when they from Africa? You understand? Maybe people when they for still understand. So, okay, I will tell they live our life for you. Whether the police that they harass us or whether benefits where they better pass when they for Africa, may let them know as still they play.
I must tell you, I'm spending almost 6 years here now. Police have never slapped me one day. Do you understand?
Yeah.
Police have never harassed me one day. Do you understand? I'm not a citizen, but they respect human rights. Do you understand?
Yeah.
It's not like Nigeria. Policeman cannot even ask you, what are you doing here? What is the matter? The next thing is slap. I can't be oppressing your citizen.
All right. Thank you very much. Okay, now people when they say now we say many people there so now they won't do the protest. So after they don't protest finish now, what will be the word of advice when you get for them or anything of like prayer when you get for people who want protest for the city of Bergamo for Italy today? So
it's for us to protest and go home in peace. You understand?
Yeah.
And we should be expecting for hope. And one thing, I'm advising the youth. No need to go about and destroying property, burning property. All those property you guys are burning. It's our property. You understand? The government, the president, the governor, they don't go to private hospital. They don't go to private schools. I think all those properties are our property. Let's wait in 2003. 2003, we will see who will vote for them. The old men should, 2023, yes. 2023, they should come.
okay.
Let the children vote for them. We, the youth, we are taking over.
Okay. All right. Thank you very much, bro. All right.
Yeah, afternoon, bro.
Here we are so now city of Bergamo for Italy. We want to protest for the NSAS. So what will be the word of advice or anything when you want to talk for this protest when the business now want to do for city of Bergamo?
My bro, my own advice, this protest of the things is not even in UK, all over the world. They are doing the protest. Why are we doing this protest? We are fighting for our rights. Yeah. This is the same president that said that the youth of Nigeria, they are too lazy.
Okay.
Those youth, they are not lazy. They are capable of doing anything you ask them to do. Just that they are respecting.
Ladies and gentlemen, so we are here in the city of Bergamo, Italy. Calling for the protest of NSAS. So what advice do you guys have for this protest that is going on now?
Concerning the advice we have, we are doing this for just one purpose, for peace. For peace. We want peace and we have been praying for peace in Nigeria. But the only way peace can reign in Nigeria is for God to wipe away the bad governor, the bad leadership, all this police brutality, all this insecurity, all this situation, they need to end. Buhari is alive, Buhari is dead, we don't try to know. But what we want is peace. The Bible says in Proverbs 29 verse 2, when the righteous rule, the people, they rejoice. But since Buhari has been ruling, since bad leaders have been ruling, we don't have peace. Me, personally, since 2012, I've been to Nigeria. And because of our insecurity, no good roads, no happiness, where we pass, you will be afraid.
All right, so in this situation in Nigeria, we get to know that there are some guys who are acting as talk in order to stop the peaceful protest. So these guys now that is being paid in Nigeria to attack people who are protesting, what do you have to tell them?
Attacking people that are protesting for the rightful thing.
Yeah.
These people are demon incarnate. They are Satan incarnate. No one that don't want good thing. Everybody wants good thing in life. So for you to join the bad thing, you are a child of the devil, a son of perdition. And God will punish them because the wicked shall not go unpunished.
All right, thank you very much. And for those who protested today now here in the city of Bergamo, what do you have to say to them? What kind of like a word of prayer or anything you have to tell people who protested today?
I want to thank every one of us that have come out today. Initially, at first, I was like, they have done it already. We have been praying for peace. Like we, the gospel group, we went into fasting and prayer to pray because any weapon you have, you use it to fight your enemy. But I just want to thank everyone that has come out today to say we should not give up. We should remain united. We should be one in spirit. And we keep praying that God, by himself, according to 2 Thessalonians 3 verse 16, to grant Nigeria peace. And God will strengthen every Nigerian youth in Bergamo, in Italy, in all over the whole world. Praise God.
All right. Thank you very much for your time.
Prince TV.
We shall make Nigeria great, right now and forever, right now and forever.
I go by the name of Flex.